Welcome to Patrick's Nature Show. Today we're going to be covering a variety of nature scenes situated in Birdsall Park. You'll be seeing squirrels, leaves, moss, water, whatever. Stay tuned. Our journey begins on the Cedar Bog Trail. It is approximately 1.2 kilometers long. Carrying all the necessary provisions, I depart. The trail is rigorous and long. I finally reach the birch trees. The birch trees are characterized by their white and paper-thin bark. As the sun was setting, I knew I needed to get to the cedar bog quickly. Eventually, I finally reached the cedar forest. These wonderful trees grow in soft, loamy soil, rich in nutrients. Cedars are protected by a thick, rugged bark. Unfortunately, it is not always indestructible. Even in the dry season of the fall, abundant water can be found on the ground. Luscious green moss latches itself on to the bark of these great cedars. The foliage of this specimen remains green all year round, even in the harsh cold winters. As it dies, it becomes a bright orange. I departed from the cedar forest as the sun set. But our journey does not end here. My journey came to a sudden turn when I spotted a rare specimen. Here we can see the great Canadian squirrel. Startled by my presence, it remained stationary in hopes of camouflaging with its surroundings. Higher up in the tree, I spotted what seemed to be its brother. This one unfortunately appeared to have Parkinson's disease on its hind leg. The squirrel releases a distinct chirp when it is feeling threatened. Threatened by a sound, it quickly disappeared into the thick foliage. My journey came to an end here as I reached the end of the Cedar Bog Trail. Thanks for watching another episode of Patrick's Nature Show. And until next time, goodbye.